In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ConvertKit Snippets for faster email marketing. Snippets are a really handy way to save time when you're writing emails, especially if you find yourself retyping the same phrases or sections over and over again. Think of them like little building blocks of text you can drop into any email with just a few clicks. First, log into your ConvertKit account. Once you're inside, look at the top navigation bar and click on Send. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Snippets. This will take you to the main Snippets page where all of your saved snippets will live. In the top right corner, click New Snippet. A small drop-down will appear asking you to choose between a block snippet and an inline snippet. Block snippets are better for larger sections, like a closing paragraph or a promo section, while inline snippets are more for short bits of text, like a sentence or a link. For this walkthrough, we'll go with a block snippet. A pop-up window will open where you can set everything up. Start by giving your snippet a clear, descriptive name, something that will make sense to you later. For example, you might call it Simple Closing, if it's a standard sign-off you like to use. Next, move to the main content field. This is where you type or paste the actual text you want to reuse. ConvertKit supports rich text here, so you can use the toolbar above the content field to format your text. You can make certain words bold or italic, add links, or adjust alignment. On the right side, you'll also see additional editing options that can help you fine-tune how your snippet looks. Take a moment to get it exactly how you want, because this is what will drop into your emails later. When you're happy with the name and the content, click Save in the bottom right corner of the pop-up. You'll be taken back to your snippets list, and you should now see your new snippet added there. To use your snippet, open up any email editor inside ConvertKit, whether it's a broadcast or a sequence email. Click into the spot in your email where you want the snippet to appear. You'll see a black plus icon show up on the left side of that line. Click that plus icon, and a drop-down of content options will appear. Scroll down until you see Snippet and select it. A pop-up will open, showing all the snippets you've created. Choose the one you want to insert and confirm. The snippet's content will instantly appear in your email, perfectly formatted, without you having to retype anything. This simple workflow can dramatically speed up your email creation process and keep your messaging consistent.